Extended ratchet wrench. Now this ratchet wrench is perfect for automotive, machinery, maintenance, boats, or even motorcycles. So I'm just going to go over a couple of quick features that this has to offer, which differentiates it from other wrenches that you might find. So first we're going to look at the engagement ring. Now you have some tight places you need to get into. You'll keep it at a low setting, so it's easy to get into, and everything else like that. Now if you extend the engagement ring, you can have a longer setting. So in case you need to get to tires, for cars or anything, where you need more leverage, you can just extend it by pushing this down, sliding in and out, and then it locks. It has 4 different grooves for settings, depending on the length and needs you need it for. Now, cool part about this, compared to other wrenches, is the teardrop lock. Now this locking dispenser locks on the end ball. So all you do is click it in by holding this down, and then all of a sudden it locks into piece. There's no wiggling. A lot of other wrenches, this piece is loose, so it falls off in the middle of doing whatever you need to do with the wrench. Whereas this locks it on secure, which is very, very convenient. Now this is made of stainless steel and has a nice firm grip to it. Very nice and useful. So now we're going to see the coolest feature about this wrench. So I'm just going to pull over the skateboard. So it works like a regular wrench. Throw it on, and you can loosen the skateboard. Now, if you're left-handed, you could just do an easy flick over, and now it works for left-handed people. Now, also this is very convenient if you over-tighten something. All you have to do is flick the switch over, and now you can loosen it. Flick the switch over, now you can tighten it. You don't need to switch it around, switch hands, etc. all in one place because of this switching device. Super efficient. So, brief overview of what we just talked about. Switching device, teardrop lock, and extension. This ratchet wrench is all in one, perfect for any situation, whether machinery, automotive, boats, maintenance, you name it, this is the perfect device.